Want to land one of the most in-demand tech roles in 2025? Becoming a cloud architect can transform your future, and you don't need a computer science degree to start. Cloud architects design, manage, and optimize cloud systems that power apps and services globally. Familiarity with AWS, Microsoft Azure, or Google Cloud Platform? You're already on the right track. Cloud architect roles are among the top 10 most in-demand jobs in tech. Salaries start at $120,000 plus in the US and are growing worldwide. Every major industry, from healthcare to finance, is investing in cloud architecture. This isn't just a trend, it's the future. At EduCamly, our cloud architect course is built by industry experts. You'll enjoy hands-on labs, real-world projects, and mentorship to ensure you're job ready from day one. Ready to future-proof your career? Start your journey today at educamly.com. Limited seats available.